Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Hyundai Sonata, and on this Hyundai Sonata we're going to go over how you would be able to get into the trunk manually, or one way to get into it. The key that I have isn't able to unlock the trunk for whatever reason, but it does unlock the door. So we're able to get in through the door, unlock the front door, and be able to pop the hood, and then we can provide some power to the vehicle to be able to get into the trunk, because our 12-volt battery is in the trunk and we need to jump start the vehicle. Right, this is where the hybrid system is, so we don't have our 12-volt battery right here, but we have access through this panel to get in and to open the trunk. There is also one other way to open the trunk, and that is you got your center where the seats fold down in the center. You could open that, and with a long rod you can get in there and you can pop the trunk, that safety switch in there, so you can't get locked in the trunk. But we're going to do it this way. So you're going to need a power box, a jump box of sorts, and to be able to get in here. So this is where the fuse, and we've got in here, we've got the fuse leads. We've got this one here. This one goes straight to the hybrid system, and we've got this one right here that feeds to the back for the 12-volt battery. And so we're going to put a positive connection here, we're going to put our negative over here, and then we'll be able to have enough power to pop the trunk to where we can either change out our 9-volt battery or our 12-volt battery, or we can jump start the vehicle. Alright, so with this power connected, and we've got power to the 12-volt system, we can now either hit the button just inside the door and pop the trunk, or you can walk around the back and be able to hit the latch back there. So since we now have some 12-volt battery capabilities to open it, we have the switch right here. It just needs a little bit of electric to be able to pop it up, and then once we pop this, then we can jump start the vehicle. And we've got that raised up, and now we would be able to go through the process to jump start the vehicle. So that's how you open up your trunk manually on this Hyundai Sonata with the portions of electrics that it has. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.